Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another Steam tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about upcoming Steam releases or games released on Steam, and a good way to kind of filter out what people are really looking at so you can look forward to the big releases as well. So the website is called steamdb.info/upcoming. The first link will be down below to this website or this part of the website. And right over here, as you can see the current releases. And you can also go over here. These are the two that I really like to look at, which is the most followed upcoming games and the most wishlisted upcoming games. So let's go for the most followed first. As you can see right over here, it shows you the games that the most people are, pretty much following, adding to the wish list, and are the most interested in. It tells you when it's going to come out. You can obviously click on it and it will give you a lot more information. Like let's say this, for example, let's click on it and you'll get all the information about it. And if we go back, let's do most wishlisted games. Right over here, it shows you how many followers and all of that it has. So if you did want to actually look to see what people are very interested in and very popular releases coming up soon or a little bit later, this is the place to look for it. What's it called? It's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Go check out my other tutorials down below.